Okay, so today I'm going to show you exactly how to make a smart waste bin, which also does some cool features like show this really cool message over here, and it also has an LED and a buzzer that, and this LED lights up the bin at night, and this buzzer it like makes a weird sound. So yeah, it makes it very noticeable, and as you can see, this is the code. It's quite long, but it's actually easy. So let me break down this entire thing. So first of all, what we gotta do is we gotta run this thing. As you can see, the display is on, the LED turns on, and
one eternity later.
yeah, it makes that noise. So yeah, let's get right down into the code. Alright, so this is the code, and as you can see, it's only around 42 lines, but let me quickly break this entire code down for you. So first of all, we have to import bin and PWM. So what PWM is gonna do is it's gonna be the protocol for the buzzer, and I2C is the protocol for the OLED display. And yeah, so I2C, you might be thinking, if I2C is like deprecated, then why not use soft I2C? But it still works, so if it works, then I'll let it work, so it's fine. But so we are doing this in different parts. So first of all, we have the sub program called def LED, so LED underscore on, so that's gonna turn on the LED. Then bin alarm, which is the buzzer, and then the display message is basically just for the OLED display. So first of all, we are just gonna turn on this, we are just gonna define this pin, then we're gonna turn it on, then we're gonna wait some time, and we're gonna turn it off again. And then the bin alarm is here, so we are using a for loop here, so it just continues for 4 times. So we first do the same thing that we did this, and then we set the frequency, and then we set the duty time, then we wait, then we do, and then we set the frequency and we do the duty time, which is 0. And then the display message, we set some parameters for this one this time with the SDA pin and the SCL pin, and you might know that in the OLED screen, and we are going to connect those to these 2 pins. And so we have to first make the variables for width and height, and as you can see, we define this the same way we did this LED thing over here. And we first display dot fill, and then we put our text, and we also put the coordinates where the text is going to be. And as you can see, we have put display dot show, and we finally call the functions here, or the sub programs. And as you can see, display message is over here, LED dot on, time dot sleep 2, and we wait 2 seconds after every single function, and that's basically it. So yes, and that's the entire code broken down for you. Alright, so hope you learned something new from the video, and hope you enjoyed it too. So yeah, see you later, bye.